So this is my miter station. It's located in my shed. It's just a small shed, so you don't really need a big space for your miter saw. Just place it in a corner, and then if you have to deal with long lumber, you just put the long lumber over here instead of putting the long lumber over there. So to my right, I usually have a block of wood and this clamp. If I want to have a stopper, I just clamp the stopper here. To my left, of course, I have my PPE, additional clamps, square for marking the piece of wood, okay, and then also two blocks of 2x3 because this is 4 inches. So when put together, this is 4 inches also. So if you have to deal with a long piece of wood, you can just place the wood here, so it will be level. Now my miter table has a wheel, so that in case I have to place the long lumber here, all I have to do is move this to the left to accommodate the lumber, because this space is open. It's night time now, but I just have to place the sawhorse there and put the long lumber over here and do my miter cuts. So let's test it now. So be sure your work area is well lighted if you're working during night time. So just place LED light above. So that's it. Time for coffee. Oh yeah.